Hi everyone, you're watching Zeevou. Welcome to the 9th episode of 10 Most Common Property Management Problems and Solutions series. Problem number 9. Finding the right cleaning service and crew. Vacation rental properties are mainly evaluated on their level of cleanliness. Taking good care of cleaning tasks during the short time between turnovers is vital. Therefore, it is crucial to employ a cleaning team that shows as much care for the property as you do and meets your cleaning standards. Here is what you need to do. Find a local cleaning service and create a checklist. Seek recommendations from friends or nearby property owners for reliable cleaning companies. It's better to choose local companies for faster cleaning. You can also check out Google Maps. Look for smaller agencies for customized services. Prepare a checklist to meet your requirements. Use a housekeeping app for comprehensive control. Check out Zeevou.com to find more solutions. Good luck!